So, I recently got done with the first session of my laser hair reduction treatment for my facial hair, and this is everything that I want to share with you all post my first session. So, first of all, this is a hair reduction treatment and not a hair removal treatment. And secondly, doctors suggest that the coarser the hair, the better the result. That means the thicker the hair, the better the result. So I had a lot of questions in my head when I booked my appointment with Clinic Dermatech. So here's everything that I asked them, and you should know it too. So the first question was how painful it is. So after the first session, I can say that it hurts like it's not extremely painful. It feels as if some micro needles are being inserted in your whatever area you are getting the laser treatment done. It's not extremely painful. It is a very, very bearable pain, much less than that of waxing for sure. So, my second question was, does this treatment leave any burn marks? Because someone I know who got the treatment done, they had a few burn marks around that area. So I asked, of course, to which the doctor said that that happens only when the heat levels are not managed very nicely or perfectly, or it is being done by someone who is not that very experienced. Then only a thing like that can happen. So my third question was, how often do I need to take these sessions? To which he replied that if I'm taking my first session, let's say on the 25th of May, the second session would be on the 25th of June, and the third session would be 40 days from that second session. So that's how they plan the roster. And yeah, with every session, the follicle size, the hair follicle size, that keeps on decreasing. And lastly, the most important question, how expensive is it? So I booked this treatment for 3,999 for 6 sessions. So yeah, not that very expensive, right? So now quickly let's talk about a few precautions that they advised me to take post the session. First one was not to use any face wash for the first 24 hours after the treatment. Second one was not to use any actives, be it retinol, be it vitamin C. Also, they asked me to use the prescribed creams only. So that is about it. The first session of this entire treatment was pretty good. By the way, if you're opting for this, do not shave or wax in advance before you go for this thing, because उनको आपका hair का intensity देखने का रहता है, according to which वो अपना heat level set करते हैं. So don't do it yourself. वो लोग खुद ही कर लेंगे वो चीज़, उसके लिए परेशान मत होना. And yeah, that is about it. If you have any questions regarding this treatment, do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.